Hello, and welcome back to Free Teacher TV. Last lesson, I taught you how to do a really cool math trick which involved a really quick and easy way to do your 9 table. Today, I'm going to teach you a very similar method for your 8 table. Like our 9s, we're going to start off with 0 in the 1's place and then work our way down. So, we're going to put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, but here we're going to stop and we're going to put a second 4. That's very important. So 2 4s, then 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, one more time in the 1's place, we're going to put 0, 1, 2, 3. Here, very important, we put 2 4s. Okay. Next, for the 10's place, we're going to start, like with our 9s, down here, and we're going to start with 0 and work our way up. But this time, we're going to do it by 2s. Again, we're going to count by 2s. So we're going to start 0, then do 2, 4, 6, 8. Then start from 0 again. 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. And there you go. A really quick way to do your 8 table. Again, like always, I am going to include a wonderful resource in a worksheet down below. So click down below if you would like to have extra practice with your 8 timetables. As always, thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe to see extra videos. Okay, bye-bye.